Congratulations on the purchase of your new Garaventa Stair Trac. The Stair Trac has been designed to provide years of use in assisting physically disabled people to overcome the barrier presented by stairs. Before using the unit, please view the operator training DVD in its entirety and completely read the accompanying owner's manual so you will have a thorough understanding of the operation of Stair Trac. Never allow someone to operate the Stair Trac with a passenger until the operator has watched the video, read the owner's manual and practiced using the Stair Trac going up and down the stairs with an empty wheelchair. The following procedures are important to ensure the safe operation of Stair Trac. Check the stairway. Do not use Stair Trac on curved or spiral stairs, irregular or insecure stairs or stairs with loose carpeting. Use extra caution on wet or slippery stairs. Check the stair angle. Do not use the Stair Trac on stairs that have not been checked by using the stair slope indicator. Ensure the wheelchair can be properly attached. Stair Trac is not designed to be used with electric wheelchairs, scooters, and some models of sports and tilt-in space chairs. A chart on page 26 shows the sizes of wheelchairs that can be attached to Stair Trac. Use Stair Trac only with wheelchairs that conform to these ranges and clearances. Double-check all attachments before operating. Ensure the wheelchair is securely attached to the wheelchair support handle. Refer to step 6 on page 7. Ensure the safety belt is securely fastened and that it passes under the arms of the passenger. Remove all loose items from wheelchair. Do not operate Stair Trac if loose objects are hanging outside of the wheelchair. Objects such as clothing or purses can be a safety hazard if they become caught on the stairway or in the Stair Trac drive mechanism. The Garaventa Stair Trac is designed to provide portable access anywhere, anytime, and can even store in the back of a car or SUV for easy transport. To unload your Stair Trac, one simply needs to place the vehicle loading ramp onto your vehicle's bumper and align the base of the Stair Trac with the ramp. Turn the key into the on position. Press the directional switch into the desired position and the Stair Trac will begin to crawl out. Next, take the handle and position it in place by placing the opening at the bottom of the handle into the handle receiver on the base of the Stair Trac located on top of the rear position of the Stair Trac base. Now gently tip the handle back until it clicks into place. Insert locking pins into the holes provided on the base of the handle and slide the locking pins through them. Your Stair Trac is now ready to use. To move the Stair Trac on flat surfaces, push down on the handle to tilt the Stair Trac base onto the rear wheels and off its rubber tracks and push in the desired direction. To load the Stair Trac, simply bring the wheelchair back to the Stair Trac or slide the Stair Trac forward to the wheelchair. Stop when the rear wheel makes contact with the wheel stops on the Stair Trac handle. Engage the kickstand by pressing down on the kickstand located at the very rear of the Stair Trac until it locks into place. Please note that as a safety precaution, engaging the kickstand automatically cuts the power from the Stair Trac unit. To release the Stair Trac handle, use the tip of your toe to lift the handle release plunger cover located just above the kickstand. Place foot on plunger and press plunger in, releasing the Stair Trac handle. With the handle released, adjust the Stair Trac yoke up and down by pulling out the locking pin and sliding the yoke up and down. The yoke position is in the correct height when the wheelchair handles just clear the horizontal holding clamp blocks. Slide the clamp blocks along the yoke so that the handle stops are positioned touching the inside edge of each handle. Lifting the pin lock, slide one L bracket around the seat frame and release the pin, locking the bracket in place. Now do the same on the other side. Now lock the wheelchair brakes and remove seatbelt ends from magnetic holders. And fasten the seatbelt securely around the passenger under their arms. Now slowly pull back on the handle, tilting the wheelchair and passenger until handle locks back into place. It may be useful to press down on either wheel stop with your foot to make tilting the handle back into its locked position easier. Now you are ready to approach the stairs. To roll the Stair Trac to the stairs, first release the kickstand by pressing firmly on the kickstand elbow with your foot. The kickstand will release and power will be restored to the Stair Trac. Now push down on the handle to position the Stair Trac on its rear wheels. With the operator walking backwards, back up to the stairs until the rear of both left and right stair track tracks make contact with the bottom step. With your left hand firmly on the stair track handle, use your right finger or thumb to press down and hold the directional button in the up position to get the stair track to climb up the stairs. Releasing the directional button will cause the stair track to stop. Although the stair track is very stable on the stairs without operator support, always keep both hands on the stair track when physically ascending or descending the stairs. As you approach the stair landing, pay close attention to the stop mark located on both sides of the stair track base, painted in red. As the stop mark aligns with the handle nose, release the directional button to stop the unit. Now push down on the handle to tip the stair track back onto its rear wheels and roll the stair track into the desired direction. Note, many front doors have a small rise from the stair landing. The stair track can be useful to climb the rise if this makes unloading easier for the operator. To release the unit, simply follow the attachment order in reverse. In order to descend stairs, attach the wheelchair following the same procedures as to ascend stairs, and make sure all attachments are securely locked into place. Push stair track on its rear wheels and carefully approach the stairs. Stop when the red stop mark aligns with the stairs. Now with both hands on the stair track handle, slowly tilt the unit forward until the stair track treads make contact with the second step. With your left hand firmly on the stair track handle, use your right finger or thumb to press down and hold the directional button in the down position to get the stair track to climb down the stairs. Releasing the directional button will cause the stair track to stop. Always keep both hands on the stair track when physically ascending or descending the stairs. The stair track comes in two boxes. The first box contains the base and battery pack. The second box contains the handle. To insert the battery pack into the stair track, align the red dot on the battery pack to the red dot on the stair track. Slide the battery pack in and down. Slide the lock hook into the locked position. The headrest is held in place with Velcro. Simply stick the headrest to the chair track handle. Headrest adjustment is accomplished by pulling the headrest off the handle and placing it in the desired position. The stair track control panel is located on the stair track handle. It consists of the battery meter, emergency stop and directional control button. The emergency stop button is a plunger-style button. As soon as anything bumps up against it, it stops the unit immediately. Stop button is released by turning the button clockwise, allowing it to pop out and restoring power to the stair track. The Garaventa Stair Trac is an easy and simple device designed to get manual wheelchair users and those with mobility issues who can be comfortably seated in a manual wheelchair up and down interior and exterior stairs. The Stair Trac has been used safely all over the world for over 30 years. Your Stair Trac has been engineered and built to provide you with hassle-free accessibility for many years to come. Garaventa Stair Trac, portable access anywhere.